Hey riders, welcome back to channel. Today we're counting down the top 7 most fuel-efficient motorcycles of 2024. Number 7. Honda Rebel 500. The 2024 Honda Rebel 500 is a stylish and versatile cruiser motorcycle that offers a comfortable and enjoyable riding experience. Powered by a reliable 471cc parallel twin engine, it delivers a smooth and responsive performance, producing 45 horsepower. The bike features a comfortable riding position with forward-set foot pegs and a low seat height, making it suitable for riders of all skill levels. The fuel tank capacity is 3 gallons or 11.2 liters, providing a decent range between fill-ups. The Rebel 500's classic design, featuring a low-slung profile, chopped fenders, and a minimalist aesthetic, appeals to riders who appreciate timeless style. Its lightweight chassis and agile handling make it easy to maneuver in traffic or on winding roads. With a starting price of around $6,499, the Honda Rebel 500 offers excellent value for money and is a popular choice for both new and experienced riders. Number 6. Yamaha MT-07. The Yamaha MT-07 2024 is a versatile and exhilarating naked bike that offers a perfect blend of performance, style, and affordability. Powered by a robust 689cc parallel twin engine, it delivers a punchy 75 horsepower and 50 pound-feet of torque, ensuring thrilling acceleration and responsive handling. With a fuel tank capacity of 14 liters, approximately 3.7 gallons, riders can enjoy extended journeys without frequent refueling. The MT-07's upright seating position provides a comfortable and commanding ride, making it suitable for both experienced riders and those new to the world of motorcycling. Its muscular design, featuring aggressive lines and a menacing front end, exudes a confident and sporty presence. Priced competitively at around $8,199, the MT-07 offers exceptional value for money. Whether you're seeking a thrilling daily commuter or a versatile machine for weekend adventures, the Yamaha MT-07 2024 is sure to impress. Number 5. Honda NC750X. The 2024 Honda NC750X is a versatile adventure touring motorcycle that offers a comfortable ride, practicality, and decent performance. Equipped with a 745cc parallel twin engine, it delivers a smooth and reliable power output, producing approximately 58 horsepower. The fuel tank capacity is 14.4 liters, 3.8 gallons, providing a decent range for long rides. The NC750X features a comfortable upright riding position, making it suitable for riders of all heights. It boasts a spacious underseat storage compartment, ideal for carrying luggage. The motorcycle's suspension is tuned for both on-road comfort and off-road capability, making it suitable for a variety of riding conditions. The NC750X is a great choice for riders seeking a versatile and practical motorcycle that can handle both commuting and weekend adventures. Its combination of comfort, practicality, and decent performance makes it a popular option among riders of all experience levels, priced at approximately $9,499. Number 4. Royal Enfield Classic 350. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 2024 is a timeless classic motorcycle that offers a blend of vintage charm and modern technology. Its iconic design, featuring a classic cafe racer silhouette, coupled with its reliable performance and comfortable riding position, makes it a popular choice among enthusiasts. Powered by a 349cc single-cylinder engine, the Classic 350 delivers a smooth and enjoyable riding experience, producing a respectable amount of power for its displacement. The motorcycle boasts a fuel tank capacity of 13 liters, 3.4 gallons, ensuring ample range for long rides. The seat height is comfortable for riders of various heights, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. The Classic 350's classic styling, combined with its modern features and reliable performance, makes it a versatile motorcycle suitable for both commuting and weekend adventures. Its affordable price point, typically around $4,599, makes it an attractive option for those seeking a classic motorcycle without breaking the bank. Number 3. Triumph Tiger Sport 660. The Triumph Tiger Sport 660 is a versatile sport touring motorcycle that offers a blend of performance, comfort, and practicality. Powered by a 660cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, it delivers a respectable 81 horsepower and 47.2 pound-feet of torque, ensuring a spirited ride. The engine's character is smooth and refined, making it suitable for long-distance journeys and city commuting alike. The Tiger Sport 660 boasts a comfortable riding position with adjustable handlebars and foot pegs, allowing riders of various heights to find their ideal setup. Its 4.5 gallons, 17.2 liters fuel tank provides ample range, making it a great choice for those who enjoy extended rides. The motorcycle's suspension is tuned for both sporty handling and comfortable cruising, offering a balance between performance and comfort. The Tiger Sport 660 comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of features, including ABS, traction control, riding modes, and a TFT instrument cluster. These features enhance safety and convenience, making the Tiger Sport 660 a well-rounded and capable machine. Priced at approximately $9,695, the Tiger Sport 660 offers excellent value for money, making it an attractive option for riders seeking a versatile and enjoyable sport touring motorcycle. Number 2. Royal Enfield SCRAM 411. The Royal Enfield SCRAM 411 2024 is a classic-styled adventure motorcycle that offers a blend of retro charm and modern performance. Powered by a 411cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, it delivers a maximum power of 24.3 horsepower and a torque of 32 Newton-meters. The bike features a fuel tank capacity of 15 liters, 3.9 gallons, ensuring ample range for long rides. The SCRAM 411 boasts a comfortable seat height of 795 millimeters, making it suitable for riders of various heights. Its upright riding position and forgiving suspension provide a comfortable and enjoyable riding experience. Priced at approximately $5,099, the SCRAM 411 is an affordable option for those seeking a versatile and fun-to-ride motorcycle. Its classic design, reliable engine, and comfortable ergonomics make it a popular choice among riders who appreciate a blend of old-school style and modern practicality. Number 1. Honda Grom. The Honda Grom 2024 is a compact, lightweight motorcycle designed for urban commuting and recreational riding. Its 124cc, air-cooled, 4-stroke engine delivers a spirited performance, producing a claimed 9.7 horsepower. The Grom has a fuel tank capacity of 1.6 gallons, approximately 6 liters, providing a decent range for city riding. Its low seat height of 30 inches makes it accessible to riders of all skill levels, and its nimble handling and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver through city traffic. With a starting price of approximately $3,599, the Grom offers a fun and affordable riding experience. Its playful character and compact dimensions make it a popular choice among young riders and those seeking a no-frills motorcycle for short trips and weekend adventures. Alright, that wraps up our look at the top 7 most fuel-efficient motorcycles for 2024. For additional resources and motorcycle content, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell